All these years I've been using these YouTube intros, the free ones, the ones that I'm allowed to use from the YouTube studio, non-copyright, for my intros and outros and things like that. I always handpick these because they got the slap. I can hear it inside my earphones. But I've never really bothered to put them on USB and bring them out to a vehicle before. So today, I'm gonna find out if these free YouTube non-licensed songs actually do slap. Let's hop in the Caddy and see. Just in case you don't know. Check out the full build on my channel. YouTube/me916, you know the deal. 2 Demore Engineering 1500.2s, 2 Demore Engineering's 1500.4s. The .4s are on the mids and highs. The .2s are on the subs. Audio control on the processing. SMD copper fuse holders. V2 audio subs. 2 sets of V2 audio. 3 ways. Custom door panels. This one's called Awful by Josh Pan. Does have a little slapperilla to it. Got a lot of good mid bass. Kind of a cool little beat. I like it. Kind of cool. I got stuff happening all over the place. Turn the bass all the way down. Doors only. Doors. Keep your audio. Let's try one more. This one's called Bird Food by DJ Freedom. I also use this one for time-lapse stuff. too bad. It's not too bad. I like the beat. Doesn't go super deep, but it's good for time-lapse things. I can lay into that a lot more too. It just doesn't feel like the right beat. Sounds all right though. Let's go to the next one. Start doing that. Man, I got something on this rearview mirror. It's gonna come out. That is a slapper right there. I might be bumping these YouTube free intros and stuff from now on. Hey, I don't think I'm gonna get busted for running this either.